This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Huh? What's wrong with Sue?
It's just not my day.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound too good.
What a mess! Why are these pillows even here?
We gotta cheer her up somehow. Whoa, that's not funny, that's creepy! Although, let's give it a try. Hey, Sue! Whoops, I don't think it worked.
Sam, you scared me.
Sorry, the plan was to cheer you up. Hey!
I'm okay, got it?
I see. Oh, Ducky, I wish we had a device to guess her mood. I've got an idea! I know what can cheer you up, Sue. Helping me crafting!
Crafting what?
Nothing tricky. Just color these stripes for me, would you?
Okay, which color first?
Let's make it look like a rainbow.
Fine, then red it is.
What's the next color?
Orange, Sammy. Did you forget?
Well, yeah, I guess I did.
After that, we'll take yellow and a couple of shades of green. The sky blue is so pretty. And finally pink, followed by purple. So, what do you think, Sammy? Does this look rainbowy enough?
Oh yeah, now we need to color this mood card. But this task is too important, so I'll do it myself. I have to pick the best color palette. Huh? Who did that? Hey, was that your magic, Sue?
Exactly. And I think I get your idea. We need to draw a different emotion in each section. It'll be some sort of a mood indicator. Now let's cut a line right across the card, this way.
Now all that's left to do is glue this together. Let's add a splash of glue. All done.
Now look closely. I'm gonna attach the front part to the back.
Oh, and here's the background. Does it match, Sue?
Perfectly.
Yes! We also need to find a slider. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Aha! Sorry, Hello Kitty, but we really need this sparkly pretty thing of yours. She doesn't mind.
Did she really say that?
Oh, great! Thanks to this device, I'll always know your mood. Finally.
I heard that. Ooh, this is kind of fun.
Still, there's nothing that makes us happier than your love friends. Sue! I know what else we can do.
Ooh, sounds exciting. So, what's the plan?
Hanging upside down. Just kidding.
It's okay, Sammy. I already came up with something.
Oh, awesome! I should do the coloring then. Watch me work. Do you see these patterns? They're unique.
Oh yes, very creative. May I practice too, Maestro?
Well, you're not doing it as well as I am, but okay. And here's one more unique technique. Vroom, vroom. Whoa! How do I stop? Whoa! Oh, I can't see! I can't see! Oh!
Now that's a thought. Do you like this face?
Yeah, when it's not on my face.
Great, then I know just what to do. This kind of looks like Roger when he sees a spider. We're done with the faces, but we can't leave them boring and uncolored. I'll use different markers and try to color very carefully.
Wow, Sue, the green one resembles my great-grandpa! Incredible, how did you… You know what? I think those faces will look better on a bright background. Up, 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 yahoo!
Great! Now we can mix and match them.
Check this out, Sue! I got some more! Ah!
Wow! Just when did you have time to do all that? Oh, great! Let's get started! Oh, I'm so surprised! I want to try something new! Whatever!
Check me out, Sue! I'm angry! And now I'm scared!
With this amazing game, you can definitely cheer up yourself and your friends.
Look what I found, Sue! Wowee! This is fun! Ouch! Oh, I'm okay. Hey, what's all that?
These are props for our next craft. You'll like it, Sammy. I promise.
Huh? Have you made legs for me? Or is it a chair? I'm confused, Sue! What on earth could that be? Oh.
Does this give you a hint, maybe?
Is this gonna be a trampoline?
I'm afraid not this time, Sammy.
Oh, come on!
Be patient. You will know everything really soon.
But no, I really want a trampoline, Sue! I know circus tricks! Wow! Oh, that was fun. Where did the ball go? Huh?
Oh, great! Right about time. So now we need to make a hole in this bowl. This way it'll be very convenient to paint it. See? Easy peasy. Now our ball needs a face. It's better to draw it with markers. Oh, I nearly forgot about the nose. And here goes the mouth.
Whoa, it's a bobblehead! Wow, it's really bouncy! I'm glad you made a lot of them, Sue!
Yep, that was the plan all along. I just love how cheerful these toys are. Friends, do you know what inspires us on making our crafts?
Your love, of course!
That's right! So give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
I feel like I still have too much energy left. Let's make something else, Sue! Please!
No worries, I have one more cool craft in mind.
So what's it gonna be? I don't get it.
Something that needs a skewer.
Oh, okay. A skewer. Where can I get a skewer? Oh! Well, that was easier than I thought. Here's one skewer for Sizzy.
Why, thank you. Now watch this. We should make a few bends this way. Uh-huh. And this is what we get.
Whoa, what's that? I know, it's a windmill!
Not really. It's a part of our next craft. It'll stay in a box. For the box, we'll need the bottom part, the walls, and the top part that will cover the box.
A windmill in a box? Weird.
Maybe, but I bet you'll love it. Now, we need a little wheel here. Uh-huh. And a coin.
Wait, Sue! I want to try it out too! Hup! Success!
Don't forget to make an opening for the coin in the lid. Now we'll use a piece of glitter tape to attach the lid to the box from one side.
Oh, this box is as cool as it is mysterious!
Patience, my slime friend. Uh-huh. Now it's time for the inscriptions.
Huh? Most likely? Most likely what, Sue?
Most likely that our Wheel of Fortune is ready. Wanna try it out?
Yeah! In a minute! Oh, where was it? Aha! Friends, do you recognize this guy? If so, hurry up and like this video. If someone knows the future…
Damn!
Oh, right, I'm coming! Sorry it took me a while, Sue, but check out what I found!
Oh, it's a great idea. He'll actually help us out greatly. Let me just work him up a bit. And here goes our little fortune teller.
What should I ask him? I know. Will I get lots and lots of candy?
Oh, that sweet thought, Sammy. Let me just check that everything works like it should.
What's there to check? This thing cannot not work. So, what am I doing?
Is that your question?
No, my question is, will I get lots and lots of candy?
All right, now that's a good one. Let's see. First, we need to pay our fortune teller.
Come on. Better not tell you now? Hey, that's not even an answer. Spin it again, Sue.
Sorry, Sammy. 1 coin, 1 spin. See, there are lots of answers you could get, but you seem to have gotten the right one. Friends, would you like to know your future? Then just get creative and make the same fortune teller. But you shouldn't forget to put a coin to get an answer.
That's it, Sue. Where's my piggy bank? I will get my right answer no matter what.
Go! Right, I take 2 pipe cleaners, any colour, and wrap them around a bit of wood like this, into a spring shape, all the way round like this.
Come up for 10 seconds.
Yes, don't jump on the
that's
fun.
10.
All right. Normally it only takes me about 30 seconds to do this.
What are you making?
You'll see in a second. This is really good, actually. You'll like this one. Okay, goes all the way around. Then I just take it off the bit of wood like
20
this.
seconds.
Yeah, don't worry. Take the other pipe cleaner, cut it in half, like that. How am I doing for time now?
30 gone. You said you could do it in 30 seconds.
I'm behind
Well,
it. Right, okay, fold the other pipe cleaner in half like that, put it through the spring, and then cool the ends like this. Now this one's slightly going pear-shaped, but I can soon pull it back. Don't worry. Honest, trust me.
I think I know what it is, actually.
Yeah, look, bend it over like that, and stop that cock.
Oh, 48 seconds. Quite near the mark there. I think I know what it is. Is it a little caterpillar?
It is, exactly.
Oh.
But it's also, if I take my pen out of my pocket and put that on the end like that, a pipe cleaner pen pal.
Oh, he's very cute. Or how about making a snake? Look at this one. He's got a nice hissing tongue there. Or a crab with some little grabby hands. We've also got, this one's my favourite, a bumblebee with some wings. And also a little purple butterfly.
So there you go, fly into action and make your very own pipe cleaner pen pal.
Boiled sweets.
Biscuits.
Delicious on their own, but what happens if you put them together?
You get brilliant stained glass window biscuits. They're fantastic, aren't they? And the best thing of all is they're so easy to make. And I'm going to show you how. You're going to need 100 grams of plain flour and 50 grams of caster sugar in one bowl. Add a pinch of salt and then add 50 grams of chopped up butter like this. Put that in and then work the whole lot together with your fingertips. Now it takes a bit of time, but keep working it through your fingertips and it will end up like breadcrumbs or crumble, just like this. Now you need to add an egg yolk, and the fingertips way of separating an egg yolk is by pouring it over your fingertips, like this. And the clear bit of the egg will fall into the bowl and the yolk will stay in your hand. Pretty cool, isn't it? Feels really good as well, actually. So let's put that into the mixture. Now keep mixing it with your fingertips and you'll soon find that the mixture will stick together to make dough. Now shape the dough into a ball like this and then put it in the fridge to rest for about half an hour. Once you've taken your dough out of the fridge, roll it out onto a board like this, and I've got some fun cutters here, and I think I'm going to make a love heart biscuit, so let's just make that shape in there like that. And I've got a smaller cutter to make the hole in the middle, and that's where the sweet's going to go. Just put that in there. There we have it. And let's take that out like that. We don't need that. And don't worry if you don't have any cutters, because you can make whatever shapes you like using a blunt knife. And when you have cut out your shape, and you're happy with it, you pop it onto the baking tray like that. And make sure your baking tray is covered in baking paper, otherwise the sweets will actually stick to the tray. When you're done like that, add your sweets, pop them into the holes like this. And if you've got a big hole like that one, then you can add 2 sweets, and you can experiment with the different colours as well. Let's put that one in there and put a red one in there like that. And if you want to hang any of your biscuits up, then it's well worth putting the hole in your biscuit before you cook them so you can thread them a bit later on. And now you're ready to put them in your oven on gas mark 4 or 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now, when they've cooked, put them to one side and don't touch them for at least an hour, because melted sweets are really, really hot. But when they have cooled off, you can hang them up and enjoy them for as long as you can, because trust me, they won't last long.
So make some stained glass biscuits and feed your face with fantastic food fingertips.
Walking on the ceiling, always a great idea, but so dangerous, you know. You're upside down, the blood is rushing to your head. Seriously dangerous.
Steve-O, what are you on about, mate? because there is no danger with the fingertip footprints because you can defy logic and walk up the ceilings and walls with your feet firmly planted on the ground. It's cheap, it's original, and you can confuse and amuse your mates.
So why don't you give it a go, fingertip style, walking on the ceiling, using these 2 broom handles with sponge feet on the end.
Now, to make the sponge foot shape, you need a pair of real feet, and you also need some paint. Just step into the paint. Ooh, it's a bit cold and slippery. And then just step onto your paper, like that. There you go. And then step off your paper and leave these footprints to dry.
And when your footprints have dried, you want to divide them up with a marker and cut the bits out so you'll have a footprint like this. Then get yourself a washing up sponge and put your bits onto the sponge like this. And if you've got big feet, you might need 2 sponges like I would. Draw around all the pieces and then cut them out, and do this for your right foot and your left foot.
Now, as you can see here, I've cut out a piece of card which is slightly bigger than my foot, and then you need to get your foam shapes and just lay them out in the shape of your foot like that. Then get some nice strong glue like some PVA and just put a dab of glue on the back of each of your shapes like that, and just stick them directly onto the card. And once you've stuck all your shapes down in the shape of your foot, then it's time to stick your actual foot to the broom handle.
And the easy way to do that is get yourself a kitchen roll tube and cut down the middle of it like this. Just do this half there, turn it round, and do the other half like that. Then wrap this around your broom handle like that and just fit it into place. Don't make it too tight. Get yourself a bit of sticky tape and then stick it into place like that. A bit more at the top to really secure it. There we go. Take this off and then a bit of PVA glue around the rim, just there. And you want to stick this to the back of your cardboard. Make sure it's in the middle. Then just leave that to dry.
And once it has dried, all you need to do is get your broom handle.
There we go.
Thank you, Stephen. And put your kitchen tube on top of it. Get some tape and just tape all the way around so it won't swivel around when you're painting your ceiling, otherwise you get wonky footprints. There you go.
Fantastic. Can I have the other one, Fern?
There you go.
Superb. Take your fingertip feet, get painting and start walking. Here we go. Now what you have to do is dip the sponge feet into some paint like this, like that. Don't make the paint too runny, otherwise it will drip down the broom handle and onto you, and you don't want that to happen. But when you're ready, you're going to walk up the walls like this. Here we go. There's the first one. Like that. That's great, isn't it? And then across the ceiling and keep going.
Oh, that looks wicked, Steve. And once you've got the fingertips know-how, you can make any footprints at all you like. How about some little scampering cat footprints, aren't they sweet? Or some big hobnail boot footprints. All you need to do is just copy the grip at the bottom of some boots with your sponge. And if you're feeling really adventurous, how about some flesh-eating dinosaur footprints?
Hey, but if you've got technology at fingertips like we have, you could leave your footprints another way. Fun. Turn the gravity on. That's it. Here we go. Whoa! So why don't you walk yourself some fun fingertip footprints? Reminds me, must change up bulb.
I'm having an idea. Let's try something. Try printing a perfect picture by painting on a polystyrene plate. Let's make it. As well as our polystyrene plate, we'll need some other things from the Google drawers. A pencil and a pair of scissors. Some paint and a small sponge. And a piece of card. Now, to make a plate print like this one here, you will need a polystyrene plate. Now, we need to cut off the rim all the way around the edge. But be careful because scissors are sharp. Now we can draw a design on the smoothest side of this plate by pressing firmly with a pencil. Let's draw a crocodile. But don't press too hard though, or you'll tear the plastic. Now use a small sponge to dab paint all over the picture. There we go. Next, press the wet side down onto some coloured card and press firmly. Lift it up. And there you have the perfect plate print. What a clever crocodile. And it's so easy to do. There are lots of other designs you could try as well.
How about a fish in the sea? A boat on the waves? Or even a plane? You can print anything with a polystyrene plate.